It is a great satisfaction to greet you, and I hope you find yourself well. In today's video we will talk about the following. Do those who commit infidelity miss their ex? Today we are going to try to answer a specific question that many people ask us: do cheaters miss their ex? My point is simple: most cheaters and cheaters won't miss their ex until that ex has completely moved on. And I have the research to back it up. Let's talk about it right now. 1. The psychology of cheating or infidelity. The common belief is that people cheat because they are not happy in their relationships. However, even people in happy marriages can be unfaithful. So cheating or infidelity can infect even so-called safe situations. Looking at research to see how common cheating was in general, I was surprised to find that 46% of people in a monogamous relationship say they've had affairs. But why? 2. What is the real reason people cheat? Examining the real reason, cheating isn't so much about the person being cheated on, but more about the cheater's sense of searching for a new self. Affairs can be an expression of longing and loss, a desire for novelty, or a longing for an emotional connection that may be lacking in the primary relationship. It is not always about looking for another person, but rather an altered state of being. Human beings are paradoxical in the sense that we need two competing philosophies in our relationships. We long for stability, but at the same time we long for adventure, excitement, spontaneity, and mystery. So if people are in a steady relationship on the stability scale, they are looking for adventure, excitement, and mystery, and these aspects are attractive to them. I think it all comes down to miscommunication. They are not talking to their partner to explain what is missing in the relationship. They begin to look for outside sources to fill that need. 3. Do those who commit infidelity regret doing so? The question is whether cheaters miss their ex at some point. Usually, in order to miss your ex, you need to feel regret for what you did. However, there is some conflicting research on whether cheaters regret their decision to break up. The stability and mystery scale is not about the partner you are with, it is about seeking an altered state of being. People want more from their relationship but don't want to lose the current one. So it makes sense that they don't necessarily regret the actual act of committing infidelity. When people, or at least cheaters, talk about regret, they're not necessarily sorry about the act or how it made them feel, which is hard to hear. But what I do think they regret is how she made you feel. At least in my experience dealing with people who have cheated on their ex, they express regret. Identify exactly when a cheater is likely to miss her ex. Most psychological findings suggest that people who cheat enjoy their infidelity. So, I started to wonder, do you still miss your ex? My gut tells me yes, but I have no research to back it up. Infidelity could be an emotional regulation strategy used by people with an avoidant attachment style. The act of cheating helps them avoid commitment, distance themselves from a partner, and maintain their sense of freedom and security. Anyone familiar with the core fears of people with avoidant attachment styles knows that they highly value independence. Anything that threatens this independence can trigger self-sabotaging behaviors in the relationship. Well, the interesting thing about avoidant attachment styles, as we've learned over the years, is that given the space, these people often start to miss their ex. Not always, but usually, if you've been in a long-term relationship and you give him space, he starts to miss you. The reason is simple. People with avoidant attachment styles do not usually begin to miss their ex or regret the end of the relationship until after their ex has moved on. This may seem counterintuitive, as you might think that sending a certain text or behaving in a particular way would do the trick. However, it is quite simple. If your non-committal ex thinks you've completely moved on, that's when they're most likely to miss you and reminisce about the moments you shared. This is reflected in many of our success stories, which involve getting back with an ex or an ex who has an avoidant attachment style. It's usually not until you implement a no-contact period, start dating someone else, or start posting on social media suggesting you've moved on that your ex opens up more to the conversation. So when is a cheater most likely to miss her ex? When that person has started a relationship with another person or has overcome it. This gives that person a sense of security that allows for nostalgic feelings about the relationship and their exes. It is a pleasure to help you. If the video is useful for you, please give us a like. Share the video, subscribe and comment. Find more important information in the link below here. Thank you.